Helping buyers start the journey to generational wealth is important, and it's hard in a market where affordability is so tight. This week, we've been talking about how interest rates affect affordability, how things like homeowners insurance, homeowners association, and taxes affect affordability. Today, let's give 3 ways that you can tackle affordability and help someone get into their first home and start generational wealth in a market that's a little tough. First, let's talk about the elephant in the room: expectations. Let's make sure we're explaining to our borrower that this isn't their forever home. It's their first home. And maybe even share a story about what your first home looked like and how it was not your perfect home, but how it allowed you to start building equity. And when you went to sell that house, you had a nice down payment and were able to afford the next level up. This is an important conversation, and honestly, you can make a video just with that story and post that on your social media. 2, let's talk about flexibility in where they want to buy. As we discussed in earlier episodes, where you buy is important, what that tax rate looks like, what the insurance is going to look like. If it's got homeowners association fees is important. So being flexible, maybe a little more flexible than they thought they were going to be at first, as far as where they are going to buy, can really help affordability. For example, if someone was going to live in the city in a condo versus out in the county in a house that doesn't have a homeowners association, we might be able to afford another $50,000 to $60,000 in home value. Location is key. And when we're looking at affordability, flexibility when it comes to your location is key. The third thing that you can do to help with affordability is explain to your borrowers that there are some renovation loans available. Now, you're going to want to get them pre-qualified for these renovation loans ahead of time to make sure that this is something that they can do. But there are lots of different options that allow you to buy a fixer-upper. Great for a first-time home buyer. So they can get into a home for a little bit less expensive because it needs repairs. It's the ugly house on the street. And then they can use a renovation loan to beautify that house, do some upgrades, maybe even add on an addition so that it fits their bedroom needs. Renovation loans kind of went quiet for a while, but I can really see them making a comeback as affordability is key and some of these ugly houses are ready to hit the market. Those are 3 things that you can put out on your social media. I would even make 3 separate videos here to enlighten your buyers who are frustrated and who don't feel like they can afford anything right now, just to get their mindset to where they understand they can. Patience is key, but being flexible in their location, having correct expectations for what a first home might look like, and maybe even being open to doing some renovation with a renovation loan, those 3 things might help tempt them over to where they're ready to start the house hunt. Good luck, and remember, rechargingwithchampions.com. I do have a script for you if you want to go grab that script. I've got 3 scripts for this topic, so you can make 3 separate videos. And then I do have 1 script altogether if you want to combine them. So there's 4 different scripts around these topics that you can put on your social media. Remember, it is completely free for the beta for the first couple of months. If you're watching this video and that just rolled out, go use the keyword legacy when you check out. That will give you a lifetime subscription to Recharging with Champions because you are helping me grow this brand. Go check it out, see all the goodies that are inside, and we'll see you tomorrow.